So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code to get your promo of up to $1,000, it's okay. I'm gonna leave 7 steps down below to apply a referral code retroactively. It takes about 30 seconds and you can do it right in your Uber driver app. A lot of people don't know that, but if you signed up for Uber and you never used a referral code, you know, it's not too late. You can actually go back and apply someone's code. Obviously, if you haven't signed up yet, you can just sign up normally. I'll have links down below for both Uber and Lyft. But yeah, if you signed up, you never used a code, it's not too late. Just follow the steps down below and you can get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, this is a breaking news topic that Uber CEO just announced that drivers soon may not be able to use any other gig apps. You might have to just stick to Uber if they follow the court order, which is already, I mean, there's so much politics going on, especially in California right now, but essentially the government is trying to make Uber and Lyft make their drivers employees. And it's been a year of them fighting, and now it's down to the very last straw. Uber and Lyft just introduced a proposition called Prop 22 to try to go against the government, which has been suing them and trying to get them to be trying to make their drivers employees for almost a year now. So I don't think this Prop 22 will pass, and if it doesn't, Uber says that drivers, you know, like, basically this is what they should be doing, but drivers will have to stick to just one app, just Uber. So let's get right into it. Let's get into this announcement. I want to keep this video as short as possible. Please leave the video with a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Every time you hit the thumbs up button, it helps out the YouTube algorithm and helps these videos get seen by more people, and you know, more people are aware, and you know, I get to reach a bigger audience who can then smash the thumbs up button as well. So let's get right into today's videos, guy. I cannot talk today. These videos, guy. This video, guys. Okay, here we go. So this is a direct email that I actually got from Uber CEO. I don't know if I got his exact email address, but he goes explaining what Prop 22 is fighting for. So he goes, Dylan, I wanted to personally reach out after a confusing, stressful week for you and other California drivers. I'm in California, so this, you know, shutdown is directly affecting me. I don't know where you guys are, but if you're in another state, this is probably gonna come to your state soon as well, within the next year, I'm assuming. Those in favor of AB5 say that all drivers should be employees. So basically, you know, they introduced this Prop 22. They're investing hundreds of millions of dollars into it. But with employment, he just basically announced what it's gonna look like if they have to make their drivers employees. Uber will look like every other job. You likely have to apply to drive, and only 10 to 30% of drivers on the road would be hired. Most likely, earnings would be fixed, schedules would be set, and using multiple apps would not be allowed. Boom! What? I can't do Uber and Lyft at the same time? Bruh. And bruh, what? You can't do Uber and Lyft at the same time, and I can't go out and do DoorDash either? Bruh. I spoke with drivers about this recently, and they told me this is not what they want. Yeah, no, duh. Oh, G-Wagon, bro. Love your car, bro. I don't know if you guys saw that when they were driving up, but oh my gosh. Yeah, no, duh, they don't want it. So they introduced this guaranteed minimum earnings. I've already gone over it in other videos, but there's two options, right? It's the employee model, only one app, fixed schedules, earnings set, and you have to apply. Look at this. You'd have to apply to be a driver. Imagine going to the job interview. Hi there, yes, I would love to be a driver. Why are you fit for the job? Because I know how to drive a car, and I can click the unlock button on my door to let somebody in. And I'm really creepy, and I like hitting on all my passengers. And they're like, well, that's our most popular Uber driver, so yes, you're hired, my friend. Hit on all the passengers you'd like. So the other option is obviously the Prop 22, the new way model. So the government wants drivers to be employees. Uber said, well, let's come up with a third way. Independent contractors is not good. They even said right now, we agree that the status quo isn't working. They agree that the way it works right now isn't working. So they say they don't want it how it is now. They also don't want employees, but instead they want a third way, a third option. What is that third option? It's this. It's this earnings guarantee. Minimum earnings. 120% of minimum wage over 2 weeks plus 30 cents per mile. But the catch is it's only on route to pick up and on trips only. So basically they're guaranteeing that you're gonna make slightly over minimum wage while you're transporting passengers, which is like, no duh, we're already making that. What they should do is have a guaranteed amount at least that you make, because I've sat and waited for a ride for almost an hour before. You're gonna still make $0 even though you're still looking for, like, I know, like, obviously when you're sitting waiting for a ride, you're not technically like working, like you're not driving somebody, but at the same time, you're actively looking for a ride. The whole reason you're out sitting in your car is because you're trying to get an Uber ride. It's not like during that time, oh yeah, let me go work my shift at Taco Bell or Nike or Starbucks or whatever. It's like you're setting time aside to work for Uber. So, like, that's time designated for Uber. So why would they not pay you during the whole time? That's the whole reason the government is stepping in, guys. So Uber's still, like, they're still trying to be greedy here. And it's really gonna bite them in the butt because, like, when you look at this, drivers are gonna be like, no way, that doesn't change anything. So I don't know. I mean, they're basically, the only difference is that, as you can see in the other email, the only difference is that drivers are going to be getting, drivers who drive over 15 hours a week are getting health benefits, which who knows what that even looks like. But an occupational accident insurance. But like, we don't know how much that costs. We're probably gonna have to pay for occupational accident. I don't know, like, I don't know. It's just like, basically it's gonna look pretty much the same as it used to. They're not really doing much more. This Prop 22 is kind of bogus in my opinion, but I mean, we have two options: Prop 22 pay model or employee model, which is like, both doesn't really look good at all. For me, I mean, I would just rather keep my independence, and, you know, I don't want to sign up to be a full-time Uber driver or a at least, you know, consistent one with scheduled shifts. I just don't want to do that. So I still will be voting yes, but like, it's not I'm like gung-ho to vote yes. I'm just like trying to save my flexibility. So, and I think they're still gonna win on that. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm mixed about it, but yeah, we'll see. That's the update as of today, but make sure to subscribe so you get notified with future updates. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Leave the video with a big thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.